Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your strategy with Asana, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining clear goals for your project. Identify the key performance indicators that will measure success. Open Asana and create a new project. Choose a template if relevant, or start from scratch. Add sections to your project that align with your workflow. Create tasks within each section that represent actionable items. Assign tasks to team members based on their roles and expertise. Set due dates to ensure accountability and deadlines. Utilize the priority feature to highlight urgent tasks. Incorporate subtasks within larger tasks for more detailed steps. Use project milestones to track progress and celebrate achievements. Implement custom fields to tailor information for your project needs. Regularly update task statuses to reflect real-time progress. Schedule team check-ins to discuss ongoing work and challenges. Encourage team collaboration through comments and file attachments within tasks. Leverage Asana's reporting tools to assess project health. Review the project timeline to adjust deadlines and resources as necessary. Analyze completed tasks to identify trends and areas for improvement. Scale your strategy by replicating successful project templates for future initiatives. Continuously refine your process based on team feedback and performance data. Remain flexible and adapt your strategy as new challenges arise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.